Good morning guys! Happy Saturday! So today, ang lunch natin is nandito kami sa Tom Yum. So yung Tom Yum pala guys is a mix of shabu-shabu and hot pot. So ito yung mga spices nila guys, and then unlimited siya.
Tapos ito yung mga...
Yeah, it's unlimited.
Ito yung ano nila, mga meat. So wow! Watermelon. Pwede na ka makuha di ay? There's strawberry mango tea. What's that?
Iced tea, house blend.
House blend iced tea.
What's house?
Kami ano eh? Kami no? They also have fresh papaya carrot juice. Cucumber. Kami lagi niya siya ganun.
San Miguel beer na si Justin.
Oh my gosh. Really? Asus anya. Really? Why?
No.
Kuha ka na di. I wanna try this one, yung spicy maki.
This
Spicy
one,
na?
Fruit maki. This is spicy.
Kana. Spicy please. Katuto. It's okay.
And then, crunchy roll, you want?
Oboro maki.
Asa pa man?
Ano eh. Lisod man mangita. Upuan.
California maki.
Okay ra kan?
Kani?
Sige.
Let's try. Sausa lang.
Sige, ana. Asa may xiaolong bao ani?
Chicken pineapple fried rice na.
Xiaolong bao, are. Duha na ni hibilin. Look, ube pao. Odo. What's that? Chicken pineapple fried rice. Wow, lumiyag na ano eh. Wow. I also have plain rice. Mantu. What's yung mantu? Siopaw?
Asang ko.
Nakanida din. They also have, ano guys, pork dumpling. Lami lagi kay tan-aon tanan, uy. Hindi mo xiaolong bao. Yan ito yun. Duha na lang kapok may bilin. Ito na kami guys. Hi J Mark. Yeah? Are you really drinking that one? Really? You like that Aya? Oh, wakaka-try? Can I have the kuan that one Aya? Thank you. Guys, si Aya guys. Inom na lang beer. Taga yarn. Oh, Jacob. Hi, Jake. Smile lang ga. Imuha lang ga. Mo na imuha? For your soup, this one? Ito yun. Kumuha si Jayden ng pang ano niya. Diyan. Ang sa soup. You're really hot already. Di ha? Imuhang rice lang ga. You ask daddy lang, I don't know. Ah, dito lang ga, oh. Di ha? Na dito lang ga. Makain na sila kanya. So, yun, luto-luto na sila. So, ito yung akin, guys.
Ito garlic, ito spicy.
Ay, asa ang Blue Marlin? Puro na Blue Marlin. Ah, okay.
Pwede mo lang ito.
Ibutang na nimo sa imuhang kana. Are you done cooking na? That looks yummy, di ha?
Thank you. Barbecue chicken.
Miyon, anak ko. Sure ka naluto na daw na lang ga?
Daddy said it's good.
I don't want yung mag-eat raw. Daddy, sure ka naluto na ni? Bantay ha? Simglaim tiyan, anak. How's the potato cheese lang ga? Go.
I didn't eat it yet.
Eat na. Yummy? Yummers! Kumuha ako ng, ano guys, eto. Sapin-sapin, potato cheese, and cassava pudding ata yan. And then ito yung ubi caramel bar. Let's eat, let's eat. Ay, meron pa pala ubi jelly. Yan. Nami ito dito, oh? Cassava something.
Ang nagkuha naman ka. Dessert naman ka. Luto ba ano yung mga dessert na? Pag mo na mga...
Sige, ini guys. Kucinta. Yeah. Siya ko ani. Saan na lang ka ice cream? Yeah. Taon mo nang ginabuhi man nga bibi oy. Oh, sorry. Ito, baby. Ano man na flavor, Anna?
Oh, like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and mango.
Okay. Eat, baby. Hi, guys. And we are done eating. Sobrang busog. How was it, Jacob?
Good.
You like the tempura?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, lakad-lakad muna kami dito, guys. And then, we have the whole day today na gala-gala. Window shopping, ganon. Let's go! Ayun sila, oh. Sobrang busog, oy. Daddy, orange brutus. Galing lang kami doon sa SMC side.
So, pwede taray na
kami
dire.
ngayon sa El Corso. El Corso, ayan. Pala, ayan. Ayan. El Corso. Mo ba to? El Corso. Unsay na adi JM sa El Corso?
Mostly mga food stalls. Mga lahi-lahi gid siyang cuisine, like mga Japanese, mga Filipino.
Okay. Murag ka ng street food, no?
Street food.
So, try natin, guys.
Right? Yeah.
So, So, dito na tayo sa El Corso. Il Corso? El Corso. Il Corso. Il Corso pala guys. Before kami pumunta dito guys, nag-ano lang kami. Doon lang kami nag-standby sa SMC side. It's already 6:20. And then, dito tayo magdi-dinner.
Oh, nice. Oh, lots of food.
Oh, ka-nice. Uy.
Food stall.
Datap din, og dagat. Ah, kakit. Murang magkuan. Ayan na. Yes, baby.
I didn't put like.
Put langga.
You have to put off langga here.
Okay, lots of mosquito. We don't wanna get
Alam
beaten
kung
by
anong
mosquito here.
masarap dito. I don't know what to order.
Anything basta may bake. Hello.
Bake.
Hindi. Saka barbecue.
Ganda dito, uy. Wow. Diyan kami kakain sa Tokyo, by the sea. Ayan sila. Dito kami kakain guys sa Larshan by the sea. Ayan. Sa Tokyo, Suba, Tuwa, Kilaw. Andun sila, daddy. Sa'yo mo, daddy? Tanana sila yung ano? Grilled pusit. Dapat sila yung tuna pangalan. Tuna bell. Baked scallo. Na sila yung chorizo spice. Can I have that? Nagpuso eh. Wow. And kay Jacob. Nag-iisang Jacob natin. Jacob. Alam mo yan eh. Ngayon ko sa JM. Thank you, Anime. Jacob. Jacob, this is your rice. You know how to eat this one? Yeah, you open that one. That's your rice. Nana, sige. Open. What is this thing?
What is this?
It's rice, Jake.
Rice. That's how you cook koan,
This
Jake.
one.
It's the koan, coconut. Coconut beef.
Sige.
Sige, start eating now. Here. Eat na. With your bare hands. Oh, there, no, okay, na may gravy, there's gravy, okay. You just dip that one, dip, and then eat.
I'm not able to eat. How white kuchara?
Alcohol daw, ma'am.
Alcohol?
Kasi
Okay.
din, wash.
Here, baby, there's gloves. Oh. Did you pray na? Pray na.
Pick up from the...
Diba?
Yeah, that money. Yeah, he couldn't give any receipt, but...
Sige na, you eat. Dip na here, dip. Dip.
It's
Try.
gravy, Jake.
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Yummers. It's good, right? Sleepy na yan, pero kumakain pa rin. Wow, Jacob. You sleepy na, baby? You sleepy? Kinamot na, oh. It's yummy, Jake, the rice. Do you like it? Your first time eating that one, no? That's called hanging rice. Hanging rice, may tawagan na niya. Kaya po siya pangutan. Nag-try talaga kayo, nag-video ko ni Jen. Pangalawa na niya yan, na rice. Oh, diba? What did you eat man there? Ito na yung order natin, guys. Careful kay naramay sabaw. Wow! Ni Uy baked scallop, guys. Ay, ito na yung chorizo namin, guys. Spicy chorizo, and then ito yung intestine. Alam niyo ano, Uy? Ito na yung aking dinner. Ito yung pork barbecue pa nila dito. Yung pork barbecue, and then ito yung chicken intestine. Wow, and then yung spicy chorizo natin, guys, and then yung hanging rice, puso. Oh, daddy, ikaw. Wala ko, ha? Are you sure you don't want to eat? Daddy. Ibutan ko dito lang. Jadi mangoy ko ani.
Kumuha na ako sana.
Oh, thank you.
Kalaghan.
Oh, you don't like
Kuha na siya meron.
One move ay hamaya po na. Ay, nako. Grabe niya itong panay. My God, yung na tuwad din nga.
Sa barbecue.
I know, right? I put that there on purpose.
Wow. Barbecue, ma'am.
Barbecue?
Oh my God. Priceless.
Wow. Napaka... Ginapot.
Jake.
Sorry.
You want a drink? You take this one or you take this one?
Try natin yung chicken intestine. Nag-pray na ka na din.
Ano? Pray ko para sure.
Ha?
Pray ko para sure. Wala pa mo din ko ano? Wala mo nang ako.
Wala dagang din yung barbecue din eh. Dagang ng barbecue din eh.
Panay mo na tanan para sa kakakon 1 year of supply sa tiyan sa kwan.
Mukbang na?
Lalamig din tayo. So, kaya yan na. There's nothing like shooting star. Shooting star. Kita ko shooting star. Oh, di rin. Nga rin. Hindi ka naman dito. Something's reflecting on this.
Laser na lang guys.
Makila ko na, tapoy naman siya babae. Kasi hindi nila. Nanay na nila kanta.
Spicy chorizo. Number 2. Sorry, baby. Yeah. Okay. You have to mix it properly.
What's that?
Very sarap.
Intense guys. Ano ako madali na?
Baked scallop. Ay, you want some baked scallop? Yeah, chicken and the scallop. Tukaan na yun ni Jacob. Sleepy Jacob. Jacob, we're almost going home. Si Anya, fight by Anya.
Just because he only got like 1 drop of water.
We're so full. We're done eating, guys. And we are going home kasi maaga pa kami bukas. Sobrang busog eh. Dalawa lang yung rice na naubos ko. Kailangan na din umuwi kasi si Jacob very sleepy na siya. Diha. Going home. Good night, everybody.
Ato na dito.
Good night. Di pa pala kami uuwi, guys. May dadaanan na coffee shop. BTC.
Punta kami dito sa BTC Coffee, guys. Sa may...
BBC.
Oh, BT ha?
BBC.
BBC pala coffee.
BBC Coffee.
Ito yung coffee, guys, na binisit ni
Ivana.
Ni Ma'am Ivana.
Ma'am Ivana.
Ni Ma'am Ivana.
Ay, kani ay. Kani. Ka-cute, ani, oy.
Yeah.
Would you like some coffee? Palit mo coffee?
So we have best sellers here, salted caramel, all ice cream sa taha.
Ice cream.
And then we have all-time faves at
Caramel macchiato.
Nasa Thai vegan, na Spanish.
Ganun ka ba? Mansay mo?
Kung ka mo lang nariga mo,
gusto ko mo try it. Sige, try pa ni please.
Kuya, ano eh? 100% plant-based coffee. So, taxi lang yung ano nila, guys. Tingnan nyo kayo. Coffee! Cute! Cute, ano eh?
Nakita ka naman, sir, sa vlog ni Ivana. Oto nga. Ana may baka makapakasyon ni dire, kailangan mo visit mo ang gusto.
Grabe sa tugtabang na ko, sir.
Ikaw, no? Yeah.
Kanang mga tao sa ba na support.
Sakto no? Yeah. That's good. Maayo.
Same beans I'm using, guys. Arabica from Bukidnon.
Oh, wow.
Plant-based cream sa tayo.
Wow. Oh, from Bukidnon. Wow. Oh, gusto. And usapod ka caramel macchiato.
Ang sama na mo dyan?
Spanish latte.
Spanish latte.
Please.
Nakita mo saan ng usakan?
Matcha na eh? Matcha?
Matcha, non-coffee lang, ha? Ice na tama, ma? Pumihat. Ice caramel macchiato.
Thank you. It's your choice. Ice caramel macchiato.
Oat milk,
Ice caramel macchiato.
Same sa caramel.
Ayan. Okay, ayan.
Thank you.
Sure, non-coffee matcha.
So So for drinks tanan.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
And then cold brew base at sir. Coffee. So, bali, mas less siya acidity.
Oh, okay. Good.
I-try na ni mo, daddy.
Oh. Okay. Wow.
Abi na ko yung mo nang i-try.
Yeah. And coffee from Bukid Noon.
Oh, asa ko na? Can I try? Sarap.
Kape na doon.
Nalihilak naman na ito. Kakapoy. Tara.
Number one requirement, of course, yung product mo, diba? Pero yung second talaga is yung PR mo.
Yeah. Pleasing personality chart. Yeah, so...
Oh, MJ, Jacob, MJ.
Here lang ga. Ay, asa gata. Oh.
Cute man din.
Lagi, di pa
May
kuha ni
bagay,
LJ,
may water.
yang di pa, sana, di pa focus.
No, in fairness, masarap siya. In fairness,
Ay, ito.
alam mo yun na yung ano niya, yung lasa niya is like, kasi yung coffee niya is from Bukidnon and I ano yung
Arabica?
masarap yung ano nila, coffee.
Outside.
Yeah, and then
Outside oat milk.
oh, yeah, and then soybean pa yung ano niya, 'di ba?
So healthy, di ay
Oh, oat milk. Oh, oat milk pala. Yeah.
Outside yung brand.
Wow.
outside. Good.
Galing.
We are going
So
home,
good.
guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye. Thank you. God bless.
Ingat.
See you.
Bye. God bless. Yung bridge, nag-symbolize ako Philippine flag.
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Ito, oy. Ay, kay Duterte. Halo, rin Duterte. Gabi mo.